Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I was going to film a video that talks about the Instagram story hacks that you're probably not using. However, I realized that there's a ton of videos on YouTube that cover this. So what I did was I went and found the top 5 hacks that are, I guess, least known or least used. Down in the notes section, you can find links to all the channels and the specific videos that I used for this compilation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the video creator. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe and like button and that little bell thing. I really had a lot of fun putting this video together because it gets me out into the YouTube community, viewing videos, learning new things, and it allows me to feature some of my favorite YouTubers, which is amazing. So curated content not only works on social media like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, such as linking blogs and articles, but also why can't it work on YouTube? So if you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment or hit me up on social media and I'll try to do more of them.
If you want to answer multiple questions from one of those question boxes in one story image, here is a way that you can do it. So I'm on my story now and I've gotten some responses, so I'm just going to go into that and click on Sarah's here and press reply, click share response. Then I will take a quick picture and I'm going to move this right here and say I want to add another question to the same picture, right? You can't normally do that, but if you screenshot it and then press discard, basically what I can do is go into the next person's, click share response, and then I'm going to select this image that I just screenshotted, and now I just this little answer here. Okay, perfect. So now I can screenshot again. Ooh. And now I've got 2, and then I'm just gonna click discard, and I'm gonna go out of this, and then I'm gonna reply to Danielle's here and press share response, and then I'm just gonna select the screenshot that I just took, and now I have 3 different questions all on one image that I could answer all of them at once rather than having so many different slides answering the same question.
Another trick that I really like to use is I do not use the actual camera in Instagram. I usually use the camera that comes with the phone on your camera roll. And whenever I'm taking pictures and I know I'm going to be posting them on Insta Story, I usually like to take shots in portrait mode. So right here, I'm going to show you guys all of the photos that I took on portrait mode. And these are basically just photos that, you know, I'm on the go. Maybe I'm in the house and I want to take a picture and post on Insta Story. This is the way that it looks with portrait mode, and I think it makes a huge difference. Like, I've had people DM me and say like, what camera do you use? It looks so good. But really, when you use portrait mode and edit it, it looks like a professional camera. So.
And then my last thing is to share stuff. I think we get so consumed with only sharing what we did. You don't always have to only share your own content. If you're an entrepreneur and you are really inspired by someone's video or another person's post, share that with your audience. It's just gonna keep building trust between you and your audience, because let's face it, there are so many people who are doing the same thing as you. There's so many ways that we can find them. Cross-promoting is a great way to build a following.
Basically, you need a 15-second or longer video on IGTV that tells people to click in the top left corner to go to your link. For the title, say something like, click here to check it out. And for the description, type in your URL. You'll then post this to your IGTV channel. Now create an Instagram story telling your viewers to swipe up. Then click the add link icon, choose IGTV video. Select the IGTV video you just made and go ahead and post the story. Now you won't be able to see it from your own account, but if you watch it from another account, you'll see the swipe up option from your Instagram story. This will take you to the related IGTV post, and tapping in the top left will direct people to your link.
All right, so the first feature that I want to show you is leveraging copy and paste for your Instagram stories. Now, did you know that you can actually copy and paste multiple photos within your Instagram story? Now, I'm going to share my screen right over here and teach you exactly how it's done. All right, so I just got a new kitten recently, and let's say I want to post a story with multiple photos of my kitten in just one page. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my photo albums and I'm going to choose a couple photos of my kitten. So this is my new kitten. His name is Jupiter. And I'm actually going to copy this photo. Now, once I go to my Instagram story, what I'll do is I'll post, let's say a blank photo right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the screen, and when I hold the screen, I'm going to click paste. This is going to automatically paste that photo that I have just copied. Now let's say I want to add more photos because this is a little album of my new kitten. I'm going to go back to my album, find another photo of my kitten, copy it again, go to my story, and paste it once more. Boom. Here's another one. Now I can actually keep going. I can add as many photos as you want. So this is a really cool feature if you want to kind of add more photos in one story instead of doing multiple stories. And this is something that I find super, super convenient and super, super cool.